August at Sittingbourne Steam Railway. Things have changed for August. We're no longer using the COVID-19 timetable. So trains will be departing Sittingbourne Viaduct Station hourly 1 to 4 p.m. on Wednesdays and hourly 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Sundays and Bank Holiday Monday. You don't have to book a compartment, but you can if you want. Coaches B and C are still on the train, with compartments for up to 4 adults and 2 children for £20. These can only be booked at ticket source by 5 p.m. the day before travel. On the day fares are available to travel in this coach or spare compartments. Single, return and rover fares are back. We have joined the #LoveYourRailway campaign. Look out for special messages on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. We're at S&KLR. Don't forget this is Leader's last season, before it's taken out of service for an overhaul. Check the website to see when Leader's running, or press pause now. How to find us. Press pause to look at the map. We have 2 entrances. One is the wall at Sittingbourne, which is the stepped entrance. This is our free car park. For step-free access, turn left as you leave it. Go through the gate to the left of the skate park. The ramp was used to allow trains to run from Lloyd's Wharf into the paper mill. It is now a nature garden on either side of the path. The buddleia is already popular with the bees. The path crosses the slope over the former link to the mill. Our new accessible entrance and toilet is funded by the Culture Recovery Fund for Heritage, thanks to the National Lottery Heritage Fund, Historic England and the Department for Digital, Culture, Media and Sport. The ticket office is opposite the toilet. We accept most cards and cash. We have step-free access to the platform. There are still steps to board the train because we need a new platform. This coach has wide access doors, but the step is too high for a ramp. However, some passengers may still be able to board. There is an incline on leaving Sittingbourne Viaduct Station. It takes 15 minutes to get to Kemsley Down, so let's speed it up. The first section of the line passes over Milton Regis Viaduct. It consists of 6 bridges and 118 spans. We then pass through Milton Creek Country Park. Under Swale Way Road Bridge. Kemsley Down is in the paper mill, which can be seen ahead. You have 20 minutes to explore Kemsley Down Station. But you may return on a later train. The shop has now reopened. The Footplate Cafe is air conditioned. A selection of sandwiches, hot and cold drinks, snacks and ice creams are available. We have an accessible toilet here too. Other toilets are also available. There are also baby change facilities. Well-behaved dogs are welcome. We have water bowls at both stations. Rail Riders Club members are welcome. August Bank Holiday weekend, 29th and 30th, is Edward Bear's Teddy Bears Picnic. Bring a picnic or buy food and drink at the Footplate Cafe. Hopefully our gala weekend will return at the end of September. Watch this space. Don't miss the train. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter at SNKLR and Tumblr and Instagram. Full details at www.sklr.net.